I decided to try and hold by my sneezes since I was so absolutely useless at it last time. Now, I woke up this morning really, really congested. The trees outside my bedroom window are completely in bloom. My nose is itching. My eyes are watering. I feel like I need to sneeze so badly. It's just out of reach. One sec. I think I can feel one coming. So I really should try and, oh God, I really should try and hold it off. But it's really difficult. It's really, oh, I managed to stop it. It's difficult though. It's like all-consuming kind of itch. You know, you just want to sneeze and sneeze until you get it out. I don't think I'm going to be able to hold this off for much longer. It's too much. Oh God. Oh. I think I've been trying to stop it too long now. It's actually stuck. Oh, I want to sneeze. I need to sneeze. I really need to sneeze. You know, sometimes I really hate my hay fever. You know, as much as I actually like sneezing. Sometimes when you wake up all stuffed up like this, you just think, oh, what's the rest of the day gonna be like? Some ways it's really good that antihistamines actually work. I can feel another one. Oh, come on. I hate when this happens. I hate when sneeze is just out of reach. So teasing. Come on. I just want to sneeze. I'm not even trying to hold it back anymore. And it just makes it worse in the long run. God, my eyes. It's red and itchy. My nose, I swear it's pink. It's red on the edges of my nostrils. So much blowing and rubbing and God, I'm sneezing. Speaking of which, I really need to sneeze. Oh, come on. I really hate when that happens. I really, really hate when that happens. I just wish that if my nurse wanted me to sneeze, it wouldn't tell me about 25 seconds before it was going to, and then make up its mind. Or change its mind. I'm staring up at the light, trying to coax this one out. It's not having it at all. Maybe. Bro. Oh, damn it. Hasn't escaped. Oh, I hate that. Oh, God. It's such a mess. Oh, so certainly not attractive. Oh, God. Ugh.